Alright, welcome. Thing is, I have sent up a space station, KSS I, which I'm going to work now. Okay, and oops, to stage this. Okay, I'll check that out. Nice, eh? Anyway, problem is, my top astronaut were the pilot for this mission. Jebediah is pretty much indispensable down on Kerbin or up in space on high-risk missions. So I have to resupply this ship or this space station, and I am gonna bring down Jebediah and replace him with my other astronaut. So I got my KSS Supply 1 here, and I'm in orbit with roughly the same inclination right now as the KSS I. And my periapsis almost intersects with the orbit of the KSS I. However, my apoapsis is quite a bit higher, so I'm going for every orbit I go, KSS I is catching up with me. It's gonna take a while though, so I'm gonna warp ahead, and you don't have to watch this. Alright, as you can see, the KSS is catching up with me. I don't want this to go too fast, because then it might overtake me, and that I don't want that, at least not with much margin. So I'm gonna go to my periapsis. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go to my periapsis, and I'm gonna burn a little retrograde here to lower my apoapsis, and at the same time that's gonna decrease my orbit, and make the time difference between, or the difference in velocity. Oops, let's see, just like this. No. I don't want to lower my periapsis too much though. Lower my apoapsis a lot more. I think I might. This might be might have to take another orbit, and I'm gonna. Oops. I'm gonna try to raise. Oh no, it's all right. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go another orbit and see what the difference is. I was kind of stupid. I placed this a bit too low. I should have placed it like above 150,000. Then I could warp a lot faster. See, now it's pretty much overtaking me, which means I have to go here and I have to lower my apoapsis a lot, so I get below this. Okay. I'm gonna burn a lot. Oops. 187. Okay. And this is 146, and this is 192. So this is still fine. If you look from above, you can see they're practically. There's a difference in inclination, though. That's another question. Let's see. Difference in inclination is so small I can't guess, is the point where they cross. And I want to raise this one, so I'm gonna burn right about here. I'm gonna burn due north. So let's advance time a little bit. Yeah, right there. Oh, they're in the same orbit, so it's kind of hard to know which is which. Okay, yeah, okay. Might be a little bit too far ahead. Anyway, okay, let's burn north. I'm trying to save my RCS fuel. Because I'm gonna need it to make the rendezvous happen. Okay, and I'm gonna just fine tune it very slightly. Like that. Of course, I wasn't at the precise place to do this, but it looks pretty damn good to me. Anyway, I'm gonna warp ahead, but since this difference is so small, it's gonna take a long while, and you don't have to watch it. Alright, a quick update. As you can see, I'm chasing the KSS I. It's 90 kilometers, 91 almost ahead of me, but I'm slowly catching up. As you should be able to see, 0.7 point. Oh well, now it looks like it's moving away from me, but actually that's just the orbit that's increasing. This will gradually get lower. Let's see. Okay, 86. Yeah, a few orbits more, and we should be golden. All right, as you can see, I have adjusted my orbit. Pretty close now. 35 kilometers ahead. So I'm gonna warp ahead and watch this shrink slowly. Hopefully. I sadly managed to raise my periapsis by a few hundred meters, so I hope that doesn't spoil things too much. I don't know how long the visual distance is in this game. I haven't really thought about it, but I think it's a few thousand meters, a few kilometers. So, ooh, sunrise. .65431. Oh well, catch up later when I'm closer to my rendezvous. Alright, as you can see, I'm closing the distance quite a bit, so it's just under 10 kilometers now. I have though used quite a bit of RCS fuel, so my lesson for next time is skip one of the fuel tanks, and put on another few RCS tanks that will be far more useful. Right now I'm in such a close orbit to what I want that I pretty much have to use my RCS for speed adjustments as well. I think I'm actually gonna, well, I'm not gonna catch up with it just yet. This is a little bit lower than this orbit still, so I'm gonna go to my apoapsis there and I'm gonna raise it ever so slightly. Okay, I raised my apoapsis, or my periapsis, a little bit, so I'm just under this, though this might be the orbit where we actually get visual contact. Yep, that's visual contact, just around 2 kilometers. As you can see on the map view, we're pretty much in spitting distance right now. Hard to tell them apart from orbit. This is my periapsis, which is my lowest point. So I might actually overshoot it this time. Yeah, we're pretty much side by side right now, and this distance here is hypoapsis here, and I'm gonna raise my periapsis just above like 100,000 and I don't know, 3 or something. Oh, okay. Let's go prograde. Yeah, that's about it, I guess. I'm still in a slightly smaller orbit. I'm gonna raise either my apoapsis, my periapsis, just like that. Now I think my mean value from orbit should be slightly larger. As you can see, there's still a small difference in inclination here. I should probably just warp ahead like this and try to find where they cross. That's where I'm gonna burn. Okay, coming up to the point right over here, I guess. Oh, right there. And I'm gonna, let's see. I wanna raise that part. I'm gonna burn due south. Or do a small RCS thrust. I don't know how much RCS fuel I have left though. RCS and okay. Yeah, I think I'm pretty much bang on right now. Well, I just have to see. Not quite yet. Let's see if this catch up with me now. It looks like it. However, slowly. This is the first time I do a spacewalk between two ships, so this might be interesting. Where is it? Where is it? Should be behind me. There it is. 2.3. It's moving away. Let's see if it moves closer soon. Otherwise, I know my orbits are wrong. 2.88 was the furthest distance, so I'm gonna let it run for an orbit or so and just see if I get 2.9 the next orbit, then I know I have to adjust my. Okay, look at that. Come on. Well, this is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna skip ahead. Alright, I finally have somewhat decent orbits. I was actually going a little bit too fast, or too narrow orbit, so I raised it a tiny fraction, and as you can see, it's catching up with me. Well, can't see that now, but we'll see soon. I think we're gonna come under 1 kilometer right now, and when we're under 1 kilometer, I'm just tempted to just, you know, drop this lower stage and just boost to it, towards it. Yeah, you can see it bobble back and forth. It means my, oops, this stage. Okay, here we go. When I watch the horizon, that's gonna be my point of reference, because I'm gonna navigate with the nav ball, pretty much. Now I'm gonna mainly use my RCS thrusters, close the distance. H and what is it? I no N, yeah. H H H. Here we go. Moment of truth. I'm not gonna rush this part. When I did my docking attempt, I rushed it, and well, I didn't rush it, it took forever. But it was kind of, well, maybe I should try to, get lower my orbit fraction. Oh, look at that. Wonder if I can switch between them though. Yeah, no. Yeah, I can. Haha. Here they are. Let's see where if I can find my... Should be above somewhere. There we are. At this point I don't want to touch the main engine at all, because, well, just way too crude. RCS. H. That's the H button, by the way. Oh. Guess I could have, worked a bit more on my orbits. Maybe I should. I think I have time and fuel enough. Let's turn off RCS. Slightly above here. So I guess I could burn downwards. Burn due south, 180 degrees. Oops, why am I doing that? Christ, this is nimble. Oh, get back there. Might help with that sway a bit. Okay. Yeah. Where did it go? Oops. Got my bearings all wrong. Okay. Not gonna let this get away now. Just gonna point it at pretty much the general direction and just go at it. See if I can equals this distance. I think the swaying has at least not stopped, then at least. Oops. What is up and what is down? Okay, yep. Get here. Okay, that's my stage, which sadly will be in orbit for a while. Forever. Unless I take it upon myself to bring it down. I think I could do the switch here. Although I want to get a bit closer just to get a look at it. Okay, we're so close now. We're so close that the distance marker is okay. Let's see. It's moving away again. I guess this is due to the differences in orbit. I don't really know where it's closest. No. Wrong button. Why did I do that? That was stupid. Let's see. Okay, I'm coming up at my periapsis. I guess I should try to lower it. Let's see how. What's the altitude of this? The KSS 100s. Okay. Okay, yeah, I should lower my orbit a bit. Just gonna go here and press the N key. Okay, yeah, that's our problem. Guess I have to do some more synchronizing. This is hard work. Oh. Actually slowing down compared to the. Let's see. Oops. I don't want to go under 100,000. Okay, I guess I have to just turn off RCS and warp to my perigee or periapsis. It's moving away again. Well, catch you on the flip side when I stabilize my orbit again. Okay, as you can see, the distance has again increased quite a bit, but I did manage to stabilize my orbit. At least the inclination of it, as you can see, it doesn't sway all over, back and forth. Hopefully, I did lower my orbit, my periapsis a little bit right now, so I hope I'm going to catch up soon. Just gonna, do laps and count, see how low it goes. 6.6 at its lowest. Should be thankful that I'm only showing you bits and pieces. 8.5. 6.6 was the magic number, right? If I get 6.5 right now, I'm a happy man. guess not. It's still moving away from me. Which means I have to find my, let's see, there's that one, there's that one. Which means my net. But it does look like I'm catching up. I'm gonna let it run for a few orbits. Outside on the here, still outside. Here I'm oh no, still I'm outside for most of the part. Should be like, yeah. Yep. I have to correct that. That's that one. That's that one. That one is actually a little bit high. Should just I want to keep 1 point constant. So I'm gonna lower this one. Oh, I hate this. These keep jumping. Okay. Press this on. Press H. Like that. Okay. Now I should be catching up. Hard to tell, or easier to tell here. 9.34. Okay, 9.4 is maximum distance. Yeah, I'm catching up right now. Catching up too fast though. Let's see how high it goes now. 7.68. Yeah, I'm catching up too fast. I'm gonna increase my orbit slightly. Okay, I'm just in the middle. I have to wait until I get here so we can increase this one. Hopefully I don't catch up till then. I'm gonna stop warping right here. I'm gonna warp a little closer. Somehow these, I don't know why these are jumping ahead and back and forth. Okay. Gonna increase it slightly. I have to find this one. Yeah, there it is. RCS on. H. Oops, that was a bit too much. Yeah, something like that. RCS off. Map view. Then let's time warp. Do this all over again. I'll return when when I'm closing the distance. Alright, I think I got it. We're slowly closing the distance right now, of course. But I guess we're closing in by maybe half a kilometer per orbit or something like that. So of course this is going to take a while. See you when we're in visual distance. Alright, here we are. Visual distance. Slowly closing. I guess I could just do like try to do what I did last time and just burn for it. I'm gonna wait though, because we should be practically on the same altitude, and perhaps I can just make minimal adjustments. As you can see, when you get closer, the swaying, you notice how you the inclination, the difference in inclination between the orbits are quite obvious. just swing all over the place. This is in 50 times 50 time warp though, so hopefully it's less when we actually get okay. Under 1 kilometer. Let's slow down. Now let's speed up. It's gonna increase above 1 kilometer again, I think. Ooh. Yeah, it's like a few hundred meters every orbit. I've seen so many sunsets and sunrises, or sunrises at least, that I'm pretty sick of them right by now. Okay. Let's check the inclinations. Oops, did I pass it now? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna wait for it to pass directly in front of me, and then I'm gonna try to do the crew swap. Or pass directly behind me, I guess. And first of all, I'm gonna get Burler out. Find my bearings. Then let go. Take my RCS hand. Okay. Okay. Oops, wrong key. There is our... I should have added some more. Wonder if I can hold on here. Let's see, where's the door? There's the door. Up. Oops. Up. Okay. Crew hatch. Jebediah, Kerbin. Okay, let's switch here, and Jebediah, Eva. RCS, and check this out. Hello, Jeb. We need you on a critical mission. Oops. Don't get away from me. I don't want to burn up in orbit. Okay, let's see. Where's the hatch? There it is. Nice job. Print screen and board. And I'm gonna switch to this little fella here and let him board. Check that out. Burler in there. And here we have Jebediah. And I'd say that's mission accomplished. Oh yeah, now just gotta bring Jeb down. And I'm gonna warp ahead, and I'm going to try to bring it down as close to Kerbal Space Center as possible. I've actually placed a little KSS. This dude slowly adjusts to let it pass us. No other debris in our way. Okay, full throttle. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna land in the middle of the ocean probably. Should have started this retro boost long ago. Or will I? Perhaps not. We'll see. Things have a habit of going really fast once the atmosphere gets hold of you. We're losing altitude? Yeah. Okay, let's keep an optimal trajectory by burning straight at the retrograde ticker. No, I'm gonna miss Kerbal Space Center right here, but well, I think so. Let's use our RCS to further decrease our velocity. There it is. Home sweet home. Oh, who knows? No. But probably I'm not gonna land too far off the coast with luck. Should have brought a bigger engine. Rarely used it. Mainly RCS. More RCS, less engines. Oops. Gotta keep the aim right. There it is. Still above the atmosphere, so no braking help from there. And this is moving painfully slow. Alright, there we are. We're inside the atmosphere. Now our velocity gonna drop quickly. Well, not quite yet, but soon. Reckon around here. Halfway perhaps. Okay, no more RCS fuel. And no more fuel period. Let's ditch this. And release the chute. Well, not gonna release yet. Let's hope for the best. Oops. Oh, this is nimble. Keep the heat shield towards the... Okay, I'm gonna land in the middle of the ocean. Take that as a lesson, kids. You gotta break in time. Gonna land some 65 kilometers, I guess. There goes final stage. Jeb is looking happy as always. 11,000 meters, speed dropping quickly. 6.2 kilometers. 6.6 maybe. When we're done. No. Yeah, 6.6 perhaps. Or 3. We're heading straight down now. Let's just wait for the chute to deploy. If you want to, you can shut off the video right now. Nothing exciting can happen unless we have a malfunction, although I don't see why that should happen. That would be the end of Jebediah Kerbin, though. Finest pilot in all of Kerbin. Let's release the SAS. Parachutes deploys around 500. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Well, no land in sight, but hope you enjoyed this little video. See you soon. Here it is. Orbital Kerbin from KSS Supply went on EVA. Jebediah from KSS I went on EVA. Jebediah Kerbin boarded KSS Supply 1. Orbital Kerbin boarded KSS I. Well, ain't that nice?